Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, I'm going to take the dogs for a walk because going forward, our challenge is going to be walk 10 minutes 3 times a week. You can do more than that, and that's great. But if you are not doing more than that, then it's okay. We all got to start somewhere. So I'm going to kick it off with taking the dogs for a walk around the block. It's about a mile. And so that's how I'm going to kick it off because these guys have been cooped up all day and they need to go for a walk. So I am going to be trying to make sure I post. I'll be doing my 3 days a week, at least Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But by the time the videos post, it'll be more like Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday because, I record a day ahead of time. So anyway, that is our new challenge right now. And it is move however you need to move for 10 minutes, 3 times a week. That's it. Just 10 minutes, 3 times a week. We could all do 30 minutes in a week. I don't know how many minutes there are in a week. Let's find out. Hey, Ziggy, how many minutes are in 7 days?
7 days is 10,080 minutes.
Okay, out of 10,080 minutes, we can do 30 of them with movement. Doesn't have to be hard. It could just be this. It could just be moving in place. That's it. That's all we got to do for 10 minutes, 3 times a week. Whenever I lost weight, when I was in nursing school, there was a video that was back whenever you had videos, and I think it was a DVD even. It was Walk Away the Pounds. It was Leslie Sansone, and my friend said that she has some things on YouTube, so I will try to put some links throughout the, as we do this challenge. But I think for a full month, move 10 minutes 3 times a week, and we can do it. So like I said, I'm going to kick it off with taking my dogs for a walk. Okay, maybe I'll get a little footage of us walking. Okay, bye. All right, so we got to cross. Come on, guys. We just paused and saw a puppy. Lou liked the puppy. Sammy didn't really care about the puppy. Baxter wanted to eat the puppy. And Callie wanted to love the puppy. So now we are on our walk. So away we go. got a nice wide path here for those two and those two. It's a really good wide path on this street. They updated this sidewalk not too long ago. there's a city pool up here, and we went up to look at it. They are digging it out and putting rock into it. They're going to fill it in. So we went up here to look at it, and I accidentally stopped hitting record. So we were probably about 2/3 of the way done at this stage. So, all right, bye. We're home. Look at those happy faces. Those happy, tired faces. Ain't that right, girl? Are you home and happy? What about you, Bax? Are you happy, boy? Yep, everybody needs a drink. We're home. And now we're happy. And now it's time for Mama to have supper. Okay, so day 1, move 10 minutes 3 times a week. Bye.